Okay, everyone, today we have a competition based on translation. Today we have some extraordinary students standing on the stage. Yes. So Nandu, you think you can speak better than your friend Tulsi?
I will try.
You will try?
Yes.
Okay, Nandu, let's have a rapid fire round. You have to speak each and every sentence correctly. आपने उसे क्यों पीटा? वो एक अच्छा लड़का है.
Why did you beat him? He's a good boy.
आपको कैसे पता वो एक अच्छा लड़का है?
How do you know he's a good boy?
सर वो मेरा भाई है, वो पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा है.
Sir, he's my brother. He's very good in study.
He is very good in studies या he is very good at studies?
He is very good at studies.
He is very good at studies. Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं नहीं बोलता जो आप बोलते हो.
I don't speak what you speak.
मैं नहीं करता जो आप करते हो.
I don't do what you do.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आप क्या करते हो?
What do you
आप
do?
क्या करोगे?
What will you
आपके
do?
पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? मेरे पास सीखने के लिए समय है.
I have time to learn.
मुझे सीखने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to learn.
Give me chance to learn. मुझे जाने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to go.
Give me chance to go. आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go
आप
there?
यहाँ कैसे आओगे?
How will you come here?
आप क्या चाहते हो मुझे बताइए.
What do you want? Tell me.
What do you want? Tell me. मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't want
मैं सब
anything.
कुछ चाहता हूँ. मेरे पास
I
सब
want
कुछ है.
everything. I have
ये क्या
everything.
है?
What is
ये
this?
किसका पेन है?
Whose pen is this?
Whose pen is this? मुझे नहीं पता किसका पेन है.
I don't know whose pen is this.
I don't know whose pen is this. आपको पता होना चाहिए किसका पेन है.
You should know whose pen is
You
this.
should know whose pen
this
is
is.
this. मुझे लिखने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to
Give me a
write.
chance to write. मुझे बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to write.
Give me a chance to speak. मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you speaking?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? आपके पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
I don't have anything.
I don't have anything. मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have everything.
मैं बिजी हूँ.
I'm busy.
मैं घर पर हूँ.
I'm at home.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
Let me go. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
I am getting late.
I'm getting late. मैं जानता हूँ आप लेट हो रहे हो.
I know you are getting late.
I know you're getting late. मैं जानता हूँ पढ़ाई कर रहे हो.
I know you are studying.
I know you're studying. मैं जानता हूँ आप लिख रहे हो.
I know you are writing.
लिखो.
Write.
पढ़ाओ.
Teach.
मत पढ़ाओ.
Don't teach.
कभी मत पढ़ाओ.
Never teach.
Never teach. पढ़ाने की कोशिश करो.
Try to teach.
Try to teach. लिखना बंद करो.
Stop writing.
Stop writing. लिखना शुरू करो.
Start writing.
लिखने की कोशिश करो.
Try to write.
ये मेरा पेन.
This is my
मेरे
pen.
पास पेन है.
I have pen.
मुझे जाने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to go.
Give me a chance to go. मैं आपको जाने नहीं दूंगा यदि आप अपना होमवर्क पूरा नहीं करोगे तो.
I will not let you go until you complete your homework.
I will not let you go if you don't do your
Work.
homework. पहले अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो, इसके बाद मैं आपको जाने दूंगा.
First complete your homework, then I will let you go.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were
आप
you?
कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
क्या आप निशा को जानते हो?
Do you know Nisha?
सर मैं निशा को नहीं
I
जानता.
don't know Nisha.
निशा कौन है?
Who is this
क्या
Nisha?
करती है?
What does Nisha do?
What does Nisha do? What do you think, Nandu? She's a good translator, I think. Okay, Nandu, are you enjoying your summer camp in Persona?
Yes, sir, I am enjoying.
How many days you have done in Persona?
I think so. 14 days. I have completed 14 days here.
40 days, not
40 days.
Yeah,
sorry.
40 days. 1 month plus you have done.
Yeah.
And you are translating very well. I truly appreciate you, Nandu. What's your name?
My name is Maruf Khan.
Yes?
My name is Maruf Khan.
Maruf. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
Maruf, you think you can speak better than all these 3 girls?
I will try.
You will try?
Yes, sir.
Come forward. Okay, मेरा नाम मारूफ है.
My name is Maruf.
मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I will speak.
मुझे बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me
आप क्या
chance to speak.
चाहते
What do you
हो?
want?
आप क्या बोल रहे हो? ये
What
क्या
are you
है?
saying? What is
आपके
this?
पास क्या
What do you
है?
have?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I don't do
मैं
anything.
निर्दोष हूँ सर. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
Sir,
I'm innocent.
sir, I am innocent.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I don't nothing.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
आपको लगता है आपने कुछ नहीं किया लेकिन आपने बहुत कुछ किया.
You think you
You think you did nothing, but you did.
Everything.
You did
Everything.
मुझे लगता है आपने इंग्लिश नहीं बोली.
I think you didn't speak
मुझे लगता है आपने
English.
चाय नहीं पी.
I think you didn't take tea.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
क्या आप मुझे वहाँ जाने दोगी?
Will you go let me?
Will you let me go
Go
there?
there.
क्या आप मुझे बोलने दोगी?
Will you let me speak?
क्या आप मुझे पढ़ाने दोगी?
Will you let me teach?
हाँ मुझे पढ़ाने दो.
Let me teach.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मुझे लिखने दो.
Let me write.
मैं आपको लिखने दूंगा.
I will let you write.
I will let you write. मैं
Right.
आपको बोलने दूंगा.
I will let you speak.
मैं आपको पढ़ाने दूंगा.
I will let you teach.
मुझे पढ़ाने दो.
Let me teach.
मुझे सोचने दो.
Let me think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
I write.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I am speaking.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा.
I am not speaking.
आप क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Why are you speaking?
आप ये क्यों आते हो?
Why do you come here?
Why do you come?
Come here.
यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
वहाँ जाओ.
Go there.
दूसरों की मदद करो.
Help others.
Help others. दूसरों के बारे में सोचो.
Think about others. Think about others.
स्टेज पर आओ.
Come on the stage.
स्टेज पर मत आओ.
Don't come on the stage.
स्टेज पर आना चाहिए.
We should come on the stage.
We should come on the stage. हमें लिखना चाहिए.
We should write.
हम लिख रहे हैं.
We are writing.
पढ़ा रहे हैं.
We are teaching.
आप क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं?
Why are you teaching?
Why are you teaching? आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? करो जॉब कर सकते
Do what you can.
लिखो जो आप लिख सकते
Write what you can.
लिखना आसान है.
Write is very easy.
राइटिंग इज
very
इजी.
easy.
बोलना आसान है.
Speaking is very easy.
स्पीकिंग इज
Very easy.
ओके. लिखना आसान है.
Write is very easy.
राइटिंग इज इजी. आप
Easy.
लिख सकते
Oh,
हो.
you can write.
लिखना शुरू करो.
Start writing.
लिखना बंद करो.
Stop writing.
लिखने की कोशिश
Try to write.
ट्राई टू राइट.
Right.
पढ़ाने की कोशिश करो.
Try to teach.
ट्राई टू टीच. आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो?
What are you teaching?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आपने क्या
What
किया?
did you do?
आपने क्या बोला?
What
आप
did you
क्यों
speak?
बोल रहे
Why
हो?
are you
आप क्यों
speaking?
बोलोगे?
Why will you speak?
Wow, 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 wow. That's great. That's great. Clapping for him. Arpan, everyone, today we have Arpan on the stage. And we'll see how confident he is. Arpan, you think you can speak better than all these
Yes.
students?
Yes, sir. I will try.
You will try?
Yes, sir.
You have to speak as fast as you can. So let's have a rapid fire round. Rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, सोचो जो आप सोच सकते हो.
Think what you can.
Think what you can. करो जो आप कर सकते
Do what you can.
हो. उस लड़के को बुलाओ जो बाहर बैठा हो.
Call the boy who is sitting outside.
मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानता जो बाहर बैठा हो.
I don't know the boy who is sitting
क्या
outside.
उस लड़के को जानते हो
Do you know the boy who is sitting, who is absent? Yes,
Who is
is
laughing? मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानता.
I don't know the boy who is laughing.
बोलता हूँ.
I
मैं
speak.
बोलूंगा.
I will
मैं
speak.
नहीं बोलूंगा.
I am not. I will not
मैं
speak.
जब तक आप नहीं बोलो.
I will not speak whenever you speak. जब तक हाँ until you speak.
Until
Please
you
speak.
मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊंगा यदि आप वहाँ नहीं जाओगे.
I will not go there. If you go,
don't
don't
there.
together.
I will not go there if you
You
don't
don't
go
go
there.
there.
सोचो.
Think.
बोलो.
Speak.
क्या ये आपकी चेयर है?
Is this your chair?
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
I don't have time.
busy हूँ.
I'm busy.
आप मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो.
You are disturbed to me.
You are disturbing me. देखो मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
I'm not disturbing to
See,
you.
I'm not disturbing you. आप disturbed हो इसलिए आप डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हो.
You are disturbed. That's why you are
You are
disturbing.
getting disturbed.
You are getting
Okay,
disturbed.
मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
I'm not disturbed to
मेरे
you.
पास टाइम नहीं है आपको डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए.
I have no time to disturb you.
I don't have time to disturb. मेरे
you.
पास टाइम नहीं है वहाँ जाने के लिए.
I don't have time to go there.
आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going
आप
there?
क्यों लिख रहे हो?
Why
आप क्यों
are you
लिख
writing?
रहे हो?
Why will you write? What did you write? Write what you can.
पढ़ाओ जो आप पढ़ा
Teach what you can.
पढ़ाने की कोशिश
Try
करो.
to teach.
लिखने की कोशिश
Try to
करो.
write.
मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ.
I can run.
मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ.
I'm running.
मुझे दौड़ने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to run.
Give me chance to run. मुझे बोलने का मौका
Give me
दो.
chance to speak.
मैं आपको बोलने का मौका दूंगा.
I will chance.
आपको सीखने का मौका दूंगा.
I will give chance to you speak.
I will give you
Chance to learn. Where are you now? Is this your pen?
नहीं मेरा पेन नहीं है.
This is not my pen. Whose pen is this? Tell me.
Whose
Tell me.
pen is this?
Tell me.
Tell me whose pen is this? मुझे नहीं पता किसका पेन है.
I don't know whose pen is this.
यदि आपका पेन है तो आइए और ले जाइए.
If this is your pen, come and take.
मेरा पेन नहीं है. यदि मेरा पेन होता तो मैं लेकर जाता.
Sir, this is not my pen. If it is my pen, I will take it.
I would
Take it.
If it were my pen,
Pen, I will-
ये मेरा पेन
नहीं.
होता, I would take it. मैं इसे ले
लेता.
जाता. यदि मैं वहाँ होता तो मैं उसकी मदद करता.
If I were there, I helped him.
If I were there,
I
would
help him.
यदि मैं बिजी होता तो मैं आपको कॉल नहीं करता.
If I were busy, I would not call you.
If I were busy,
I would not call you.
बोलो.
Speak.
लिखो.
Write.
मत लिखो.
Don't
लिखना
write.
बंद करो.
Stop writing.
Writing. बोलना बंद करो.
Stop teaching.
बोलते रहो.
Speaking.
आप क्यों
Keep
बोल रहे
teaching.
हो?
Why are
आप
you
क्यों
speaking?
आ रहे हो?
Why are
आप
you coming
क्यों
here?
आए? आप
Why did you
कैसे
come
आए?
here? How did you come here? With whom you are coming here? With
Welcome
do we
when you
come here?
स्टेज पर मत आओ.
Don't come on the stage.
वहाँ जाओ.
Go there.
लिखो.
Write.
लिखना बंद करो.
Stop writing.
आप क्यों लिख रहे हो भाई?
Why writing?
आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो?
What are
आपने
you
क्या
teaching?
पढ़ाया?
What did you
आपने
teach?
कैसे पढ़ाया?
How did
आप
you
क्यों
teach?
पढ़ाओगे?
How will you
ये
teach?
क्या है?
What is this?
मुझे नहीं पता ये क्या है.
I don't know what is this.
Wow, 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 clapping. किसका पैन है?
Whose pen is
मुझे नहीं
this?
पता किसका पैन.
I don't know whose pen
मैं
is this.
सोचता हूँ.
I
मैं
think
बोलता हूँ.
I
मैं
speak.
बोलूंगा.
I will
बोलने का
speak.
मौका दो.
Give me a chance to speak.
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you
मैं
want?
कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't do anything.
मुझे बोलना पसंद है.
I like to
मुझे
speak.
लिखना पसंद
I
है.
like to write.
मैं नहीं लिखूंगा.
I will not write.
I will not write. मुझे पता है आप क्या कर रहे हो.
I know what you are doing.
कल आप absent थी है ना?
You are absent. You was
You
absent
were
yesterday.
yesterday. Weren't you? नहीं सर मैं कल absent नहीं थी. कल मैं present थी.
No sir, I was
I was
present.
not absent
yesterday. I was present.
Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I will
क्या
speak.
बोल रहे हो?
Are
आप
you
बोलोगे?
speaking?
आप
Will you
क्यों बोल
speak?
रहे हो?
Why
आप
are you
कैसे
speaking?
बोलोगे?
How
आप
will you
कहाँ से?
speak?
आप
Where
क्या
were you?
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't do
मेरे
anything.
पास सब कुछ है.
I have
मैं
everything.
लिखता हूँ.
I
मैं
write.
लिखूंगा.
I
आप
will
क्यों
write.
लिख रहे हो?
Why are you
आप
writing?
कहाँ हो?
Where
आप
are
क्या चाहते
you?
हो?
What do you
ये
want?
किसका पेन है?
Whose pen is
स्टेज
this?
पर आओ.
Come on the
स्टेज
stage.
पर बताओ.
Don't come on the
मुझे बोलो
stage.
स्टेज
Call him.
पर.
Call him on the stage.
वो स्टेज पर नहीं आएगा.
He is not come on the
He will
stage.
not
He will not come on the stage.
वर्षा minor mistakes you are making. Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
बोलने दो.
Give
आप
me.
क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't know
मुझे
anything.
जाने दो.
Let me
मुझे
go.
आने दो.
Let me
मैं आपको
come.
नहीं आने दूंगा.
I don't let you come.
हाँ मैं आपको
I-
नहीं आने दूंगा.
I will not let you
let
come.
you come. मैं आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा.
I will not let you go.
वहाँ जाओ.
Don't
आप
go
वहाँ
there.
क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going
आप कैसे
there?
जाओगे?
How will you go
आपके
there?
पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
I don't
मेरे
have
पास सब
anything.
कुछ है.
I have
मैं वहाँ नहीं
everything.
जा सकता.
I will not go
वहाँ
there.
जाओ.
Go
बोलो.
there.
मत
Speak.
बोलो. आप क्यों
Don't
बोल रहे हो?
speak. Why are you
कैसे
speaking? How
बोलोगे?
will you speak?
How will you speak? आप इस काम को कैसे करोगे?
How will you do this work?
मुझे पता है इस काम को कैसे करना है.
I know how will you do this work.
I know how to do this work. मुझे पता है कैसे बोलना है.
I know how to speak.
मुझे पता है कैसे लिखना है.
I know how to write.
लिखो.
Write.
बोलो.
Speak.
मत बोलो.
Don't
आप
speak.
कहाँ हो?
Where
आप
are
कहाँ
you?
थे?
Where
आप
do
क्या कर रहे हो? आपके पास क्या
what
है?
do you have?
What do you have? क्या बात यार. Clapping. मजा आ गई.